In this video, I'm going to discuss about the relevance of Bloom's taxonomy in the context of teaching and learning process. Present engineering. In this video, we consider cognitive domain and different levels of it. Due to COVID pandemic, there is a paradigm shift in the teaching and learning process. We all shifted from classroom teaching to the e-learning or the onlining or the digital learning platforms. Invariably, we find the revised Bloom's taxonomy levels are used in all engineering courses and they are mentioned in their syllabuses. It's time to combine Bloom's taxonomy with e-learning or the online learning. It is not enough for students to learn how to attend the online class. It has become more important to master the digital tool to organize the study material, to submit the paperless assignments, to attend the online assessment test and evaluations. So we know the Bloom's taxonomy's upper three levels are deal with the higher order thinking skill. Popularly it is known as HOTS. The lower level cognitive levels are related with lower order thinking skills. Present task is to accumulate the digital tools with different levels of learning. Students may be using mobile, tab or laptop or desktop computer for his online teaching and learning process. Teacher and students will be using learning management system which allows teachers to share course content, conduct quizzes, assignments, evaluation of the students. Students must learn how to find quality sources and evaluate their effectiveness in order to help them to accomplish their goal of effective learning. Therefore, the students need to be digital literate. It means they should understand how to use effectively the search engine to find proper content, ebooks, teaching videos. Apart from this, students should have knowledge of different software tools which optimize their learning experience. We can use the technology to accomplish the different levels of the Bloom's in different ways. According to Dr. Rubin, so we can do it in 4 ways. The technology either substitute the present way of doing activity or we can augment with the digital tools. Next level of use of technology is to modify the task by using the digital tool. Higher level is to use the technology to redefine the activity or creating the new one. For example, if we used Word document to write an assignment, it is a technology which is substituting the traditional way of writing. If the same thing is achieved with the proper formatting, the test, then we can call it as a accumulation of the technology, whereas students' learning ability enhances. These two targeted to achieve the lower order levels of Bloom's taxonomy. The technology allows students to modify the things using the Google Slides or other digital technology to represent the things in a better way. Even students can create his own blog or video using the multimedia. So this we can call it as a redefining the activity with the help of the technology. In this way, 4 ways to integrate the technology with Bloom's levels of learning. Let's see some ways to implement it. First one is the remembering. We can help the students by sharing the content in the form of a PDF, PPT or ebook. He can check his recalling ability by conducting quizzes or asking short questions or using the Google Classroom. Students are also asked to search the content and also to bookmark it for future reading, either by using the Chrome bookmarkers or social bookmarking softwares like Digio and other things. These are the digital tech tools which are helpful in remembering activity which can be carried out between the students and the teacher. The next one is understanding. Teacher can use animated videos to explain the concept or use simulation to understand the process involved. We can use augmented or virtual tools to understand the concepts more clearly. Students can search the website or the blogs to get better understanding of the course which has been taught by the teachers on the online platforms. Next is applying. Teacher can use the YouTube videos or he can trim the videos as per the requirement of the teaching and learning process. The students can use the Google document or slide to show their ability to apply the knowledge which has been gained at the level 1 and 2 in a new situation. Even you can find new websites where the application is adopted in different companies in order to make their own products. In this way, the digital tools help the students to apply his knowledge. Next is what we call it as analyzing and evaluating. Teacher can give an assignment or a real-world problem to the students. Students can make use of Excel sheet or sheet for collecting data, calculating the determinants from it, creating graphs. Students can apply their knowledge to address social issues or compare the different activities or the issues in order to evaluate the things. Finally, students are asked to create their own blogs, animation, simulation using different multimedia tools. Teacher can explore these by giving them project or real world problem to them. Students can experiment the things which he has created them. So in this way, the Bloom's taxonomy can be effectively be used by using the digital tools. Students are supposed to master them to have better learning experience. I request you to design one online learning activity for the students which combines the Bloom's higher order thinking skills and the digital tools in order to attend the learning experience. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel for some more interesting videos on online teaching and learning process.